Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to make a video become vertical in CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So you need to open the CapCut first before you start, and after you open the CapCut you can start a new project, or you can also use your previous project. Here I already prepared for you the project. See? So to understand either this is a horizontal or vertical video, you just need to go click this, and you can see that this video is horizontal video, it's not vertical. Okay, so how to make it vertical? It's so simple. So the things that we have to do now is just go click into the ratio. In this ratio you just need to choose 9:16 or TikTok used, and after you're done you just need to go click done. Then for the next is you just need to fulfilling all of this frame with the video by click this video, and after that you need to adjusting the size by pinch with two of your finger together until the video is filling up the frame. And after you're done, just click randomly, and now let's have a check by go click this, and now this video is already vertical. So that's the way how to create a vertical video on a CapCut. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.